Welcome. Let's have a look at this one as question 10. If P has a set of x such that 0 is less than x less than or equal to 6. Let's start with that first. You know, the set of P, we can list the element. We are saying that 0 is less than x, meaning the x values are more than 0. So numbers more than 0, where x is an integer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The x is also less or equal to 6. So equal to 6, all the numbers are less and equal to 6. Then that of Q is also a set of x such that 1 is less or equals to 1, x is less or equal to 7, meaning 1 is included, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. So now what are we looking for? We are looking for P intersecting Q. The elements that are in P the same time can be seen in what? Q. Okay, let's take it one by one. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So this will just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is more or less the value of the set P. It's the same thing. So this is a super subset of this. So this is going to be the set word P. So in picking the options where the first option is P, this is the appropriate answer to pick. This is an empty set, which is not true. And from 0 to 6 is also not true. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Come back to this page for question 11.